Evidence shows that children who have access to more books at home consider themselves to be more confident readers. Serial Mash has been developed to encourage a love of reading for all children wherever they are, offering an engaging, anytime, anywhere library environment. Serial Mash is a safe, secure, GDPR-compliant, flexible solution that can be used for a variety of different reading scenarios. For example, guided reading, whole class reading, attainment gap closing, and reading for pleasure. With 3 new books added to Serial Mash every half term and chapters released weekly to encourage engagement, Serial Mash is an ever-growing library containing over 250 quality books, covering a wide variety of genres, all of which have been carefully commissioned and curated to meet the needs of the curriculum and a range of ages and abilities. Comet's library has recently been released to support reading stamina when engaging with longer texts. Each book contains a wealth of teacher and child resources, from quizzes to writing activities, paint projects, spelling, grammar, and punctuation tasks, aligning with the Key Stage 1 and 2 SATs. Teachers can schedule an entire book and its related activities in just a few clicks, allowing previously released books to be reserialized, scheduled, and delivered for your children to read and complete. Our innovative Serial Mash e-reader presents texts in a format that can be tailored to meet the needs of children at every level. Fonts can be changed, resized, and recolored. Unfamiliar vocabulary is highlighted to allow children to deepen their understanding. A growing number of books within Serial Mash now allow teachers to support pupils by providing a state-of-the-art audio player. This highlights each word of the book as it is read by one of our talented actors, allowing children to follow along.
Emily MacLeod was not Norwegian, and she did not live in the Viking era.
Serial Mash reading journals offer a manageable, digital, cost-effective alternative to schools who currently may be purchasing physical reading journals or printing their own. Additionally, Serial Mash reading journals help promote reading at home and engagement within the family. Any book read by a child in Serial Mash is automatically recorded in our Serial Mash reading journal. Furthermore, the Serial Mash reading journal can be used with books outside of Serial Mash, simply by searching for a book title, ISBN, or even on certain browsers, scanning the barcode of a book. Children, families, and teachers can comment on any reading journal entry. Teachers can even give digital stickers to reward children and encourage engagement. Through the data area, teachers are able to identify children's reading patterns and behaviours, allowing them to identify children who are in need of support, intervention, and encouragement. This saves teachers time and gives a clear picture of how much reading is taking place for an individual child, group, class, or school. 8 Dorling Kindersley learning books are added every term within Serial Mash to promote high-quality, non-fiction texts, which are now being used to support teaching and learning in the classroom. Our dedicated support team are on hand to provide schools with outstanding customer support. A variety of professional development options are also available to teachers to ensure these high-quality resources have maximum impact on teaching and learning. Serial Mash offers an extensive library of quality books with supporting resources for under £200 for an average-sized school, which gives unparalleled value for schools, parents, and children.